4000 engine. This is the oil tank access panel, which is on the outboard side of the engine number 1 and inboard side on the engine number 2. Also provide access to the your truss. This is thrust reverser actuation system, the lever and the pins, the deactivation pin which are used for the thrust reverser deactivation. So in this video we'll see. Okay, so first we have to remove the locking pin. So this is the handle you can see in this video. We have to remove the locking pin from that position, and then we have to move the handle to the inhibit position. So this is the inhibit position. You can see in the videos. Now I'm putting the this locking pin. So I have to bring this lever to the inhibit position, and then I have to lock it here. Okay, so till this pin is there, this handle will remain in the lock position. If I remove the pin, the handle will come by itself to the normal position. So this is how we are performing the truss deactivation, which is required for ground maintenance. Also is the first step for the TR deactivation for the flight dispatch. So now we have secured the handle in the normal position. So there we have two positions. One is the normal position, the other is the inhibit position. Now you can see these two pins here. Okay, so these two pins which are used to lock the thrust reverser translating cowls. So you can see here there are two plates are here. So with the which are secured with the help of two screws. We have to open these two screws. So we have to put the pins in both the left and right translating cowls. So we have to remove the screws and remove the plate. Then we will do the deactivation. So in this part of this video, we will see how to deactivate the thrust reverser translating sleeves for flight dispatch by installing the deactivation pins. Please remember, you need to put the trans lever to inhibit position before performing this task. For flight dispatch, we need to carry out both these procedures. So both these procedures are required. So now you can see these pins are installed here. Okay, so first I have to take out these pins. So these pins are secured with the help of a clamp, and you have to use a quarter drive. Okay, and the quarter socket 1/4 inch socket to open this screw. So I'm opening this screw, and you will see now I'm like opening this and like taking out this the pins. Okay, so these two pins now I have to insert in the translating cowls. So now I have taken these two pins out. Now how to install the pin? So you have to see here where it will be installed. This is on the outer side, it's not on the inner side, and then this pin will protrude inside of the engine. Okay, so one part is like a thick part, the other is the thin part. Okay, so you have to put the plate back, and then you have to put the screws again. Okay, the same way we have to do in both the translating sleeves, left as well as right. Okay, so you have first you have to install the pin, and then you have to secure the plate back. Okay, you install the screws. So this is the procedure to deactivate this translating sleeves. Okay, so this is required for the flight dispatch when we have a thrust reverser unserviceable. In that case, we have to perform both of these procedures. So now I will be taking you to show the engine. Okay, so what we have here, you can see normally these two the plates are installed with the help of two screws, and there are no pins, so that means thrust reverser system is normal. Then just in front of this you will find the TLS inhibition. Okay, so TLS inhibition plate, cover plate. So what is TLS? TLS is your tertiary lock system. So tertiary lock, if you have any problem, so then you can inhibit that from this place. So that will be covered in the next video. Okay, thank you very much for watching.